Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by duplicating the layer so you can always revert. This protects the original. Next, use the quick selection or pen tool to create a tight initial selection around the subject, because a cleaner starting mask reduces edge artifacts later. Once done, convert the selection to a layer mask and open Select and Mask. Make sure to view on a contrast background so you clearly see hair and fringe for the next refinement steps. You now focus on the complex middle work. In Select and Mask, increase the radius slightly to let Photoshop detect transition zones, then use the Refine Edge brush over hair, fur, or soft boundaries to capture stray pixels. Adjust Smooth and Feather minimally to avoid losing detail, and increase contrast to sharpen the edge. If color fringing remains, toggle Decontaminate Colors with a subtle amount. This reduces background color bleed. You finish by outputting the result to a new layer with a mask, so you can keep both versions. Inspect edges at 100% and use a soft low-opacity brush on the mask to manually paint in or discard stray matte pixels. This final pass fixes small errors the automated tools missed. If you see a halo or rim, make sure to slightly contract the selection or apply a small negative feather. This restores crispness without losing fine detail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.